Balancing the equation. Al2O3 plus H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 3 plus H2O, equation 1. The above equation is an unbalanced one. There is only one atom of sulfur in the reactant side, while there is 3 atoms of sulfur in the product side. Al2O3 plus 3H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 3 plus H2O, equation 2. Now there are 6 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and only 2 hydrogen atoms in product side. Multiply H2O molecules in the above equation by 3. Now the equation 2 becomes Al2O3 plus 3H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 3 plus 3H2O, which is equation 3. Now in the equation 3, the oxygen atoms are 15 both in reactant and product side. So the final balanced equation is Al2O3 plus 3H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 3 plus 3H2O.